I'm feeling low the last few days. And before you start asking, no, it's not depression, it's not feeling sad, it's not woe is me, it's nothing like that. I think it's down to a lack of energy. I'm convinced that's what causes it most of the time. You know that feeling that you get sometimes where you just can't be bothered with anything? It's not because of depression, it's just because I've got no energy to be bothered about anything. Just being alive is tiring. Spending any more energy than you've got puts you into a deficit and makes you feel a bit worse. Sure, that's what it is, you know. So I've been trying to do whatever I can, trying to get a bit more sleep, a bit more exercise, trying to do my steps from 2,000 up to 3,000, which is still not a lot, to be honest with you. But it may be just enough to start getting me tired enough to sleep better, tired enough to not wake up during the night. That's what it is. I think the walking, the exercise has to improve. There's got to be more of it, and to a better degree as well, better quality. So I think I might need to write myself a little schedule. Get my car washed as well now. It's filthy. Yeah, I'm going to write myself a little schedule on a whiteboard with coloured magnets, so that when I've done each step I can put a magnet next to it to show you that I've done it. In progress, completed, not started, that kind of thing, do you know what I mean? Just so I've got something visual to remind me, because a lot of the time I'll get carried away and I'll forget what I've done, forget what I'm supposed to be doing, which is easily done when you've got a brain injury. Yeah, I'll write that this afternoon. Take 5 minutes out of my time, write something down, and try and stick to it. Sick of not being right. Sick of it. Sick of it. Sick of being sick, lad. Where's he gone? But I've been back on the subreddit, the stroke subreddit. There's loads of people saying that 2 or 3 years on they've got no better, which is fine, I get that. There's also people saying that 3 or 4 years down the line they've suddenly improved. And it's nice seeing people at the start of their journey getting all the support they need from the community. And then people who are a lot further on, who are still improving and are still getting support from the community. They're a good group of people, they really are. You're never alone. You're never ever alone. There's always someone there who's willing to give you a bit of encouragement, which I like to see. I think I need it at the moment. I've dropped off slightly. Because it's hard. It's hard to try and keep up what you were doing in the first place when all of a sudden you've got to do a full-time job as well as looking after family. What do you mean I can't bring an emotional support hooker on board?
Hi, sugar. You want a party?
Who won the damn war? I think you'll find you were 3 years late to the war, sir. I like you, kid. You got moxie. I mean, full-time job, a part-time job as a taxi dad, another part-time job taxiing other people in the family around, which I don't mind. Because I've got the time. I don't mind being in my car. Just sometimes I get carried away without realising. What have I done this week? What exercise have I done this week? What have I missed out on? And then I look back and think it's been 2 or 3 weeks before I've done such and such an exercise. So I need something a bit more representative, visual. What have you managed this week? If it's not good enough, it needs to then improve. Don't just settle for, oh, woe is me, I'm not right. No. Got to improve. Oh, it's snowing, man. It does feel like snow. It's weird, isn't it? That colour, that white, that suddenly lights up everything. It's snow foam, by the way, it's on the car. Yeah. So I'll go back, I'll write down what I think is a decent little break up the exercise during the week, so I'm not concentrating purely on one thing all the time. Physio, occupational therapy, mix it up, match it. See if I can improve. So I'm definitely better than I was. There's no getting away from that. I am definitely a lot better than I was. But there's a very, very long way to go. A very long way. We'll get there though, won't we? We'll get there.